Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about tacos, the history, the flavors, and the people. Now I am going to talk about the history of tacos. Tacos have a long and rich history that dates back to the pre-Columbian era. The Aztecs were the first people to make tacos, and they used them as a way to wrap and transport food. The word taco actually comes from the Nahuatl word tlacatl, which means something that is wrapped. In the 18th century, tacos began to become more popular in Mexico City. Street vendors started selling tacos filled with a variety of meats, such as pork, beef, and chicken. These tacos were typically made with small, thick corn tortillas and were filled with meat, cheese, cilantro, and onions. In the early 20th century, tacos began to gain popularity in the United States. Street vendors selling tacos started to migrate to the United States, bringing their taco recipes with them. This is how the taco started to gain popularity in the U.S. Flavors of tacos. There are endless possibilities when it comes to the flavors of tacos. You can find tacos filled with everything from traditional Mexican meats like carnitas and barbacoa to more modern fillings like fish, chicken, and tofu. You can also find tacos with a variety of toppings such as sour cream, guacamole, cheese, and salsa. Tacos are more than just food. They are a part of Mexican culture. Tacos are a way for people to come together and celebrate their heritage. They are a way to share food and stories. They are a way to connect with family and friends. Tacos are a delicious and versatile food that has a rich history and cultural significance. They are a part of what makes Mexico so special. If you're ever in Mexico, be sure to try a taco. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about tacos today. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.